Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to an evening where you shall witness innovation, style, and visual treats. Welcome to a fashionable evening by yeah, sure.
This works?
Yeah, it does. It's been checked.
No, we're really happy with the response that we've got. It's been very promising. The trailer hit heavy views very quickly within 48 hours. So we're very happy. The film is up to release on 13th. And now we just geared up for the release and hoping that everyone enjoys the film as much as we did.
The spring-summer collection is more of an on-the-move collection, just like the one you seem to be wearing in the film. So would you like to throw some light on the same? The spring-summer collection is more of an on-the-move collection, like the one you could see in. Right. And you're wearing such clothes in the film and shoes.
Yes,
so
yes.
would you like to throw some light on
I
that?
think it's a great match, and it goes with our film. So we're happy with this association, and I hope people like the collection as much as we did, right?
Right. Now, without wasting any time, would you like to unveil the collection, please?
Ready?
अनुष्का अनुष्का लुक किस तरह अनुष्का मैम थोड़ा वहीं पे रुक जाओ ना थोड़ा इस तरफ हो जाओ ना मैम अरे संजना यार मैम अनुष्का राइट अनुष्का यहाँ सामने अनुष्का यहाँ पे अनुष्का राइट की तरफ अनुष्का लास्ट यहाँ पे
So Anushka, now that you unveiled the Spring Summer 2015 collection, what do you have to say about it? Do you like it?
I like it because there are a lot of flats that I see there, and personally I wear a lot of flats, and I think I always say that you give a girl a pair of flats and she can conquer the world. So
And she can go flat.
no, she can conquer the world and make people go flat. That's why I think all the girls who work will agree with this. You know, you need trendy flat shoes because you're always on the run, and you always. I mean, I personally love them. So I'm really happy that the collection is really has a good collection of flats. It's nice.
So you're not a very brogues and ballerina kind of a person, are you?
I like that also. I'm a huge shoe fetish, so I love shoes in any case. So I love all kinds of shoes. But they're more practical, you know, flat shoes. And if they're trendy like the ones that we see here, then it's nothing like it.
Tell us more about your look in NH10 and how does this influence the working woman?
Actually, my look is very regular. If you look at it, I mean, it's just a ganji and a hoodie. It's something that can be really, I mean, any girl on the streets would dress like that. So it's really pertaining to that, because the entire film is, you know, very realistic and it's very organically portrayed whatever is done. So are the clothes and the way I look in hair, makeup and everything.
What message does the film wish to convey to its audience, especially women?
I think everyone can take something away from this. It's something that, yes, the protagonist of the film is a woman, but this is something, what happens in the film can happen to anybody who has travelled on the roads in India, and anybody can get into a situation like this, and I think that's what's amazing about the film. And it is about a personal struggle, you know, how far can you get pushed if you decide to give back. So I think that's something that's I thought was very special, which I think people would feel when they watch the film.
Great. I'm sure everyone here is excited and curious, and everyone has questions to ask Anushka. So I throw open the session to our audience to ask questions to Anushka one by one.
Audience?
Any questions, please?
Use नहीं करना है? Questions, guys? Yeah. Guys, silence. Silence. कोई पूछ रहा है? Silence.
Silent, please.
मैं बोल रही हूँ ना.
Anushka, of course, you put your money behind this project because you completely believe in it. And I thought that there is such amount of creativity and freedom which is needed to make this project. When the censor board is in a sense, trying to stop that creativity and your film is close to release, do you think that you're willing to compromise?
See, we don't want to compromise with the film. In fact, we've had the screening today, and we've got an A certificate with one visual cut and few audio cuts, which we've accepted. It's very important, but it's with an adult certificate. As far as we could, we have not compromised with our with the story, with what we're trying to say in the film, and I think somewhere we're happy with what has happened. We've made a very responsible film, a very honest film. Something that happens, and that's what people will see when they watch the film. It's something that it's something that I'm sure a lot of people must have experienced in any case, and that's what they're going to watch in the film.
There's a big debate as far as the censor board is concerned. Censor board is to certify film and not, cut it and try and tone down.
Yeah.
What is
Ideally, I would have liked it if there was only certification, just ratings given to films. Because then it is up to individual discretion, whether you want to watch a film or not. As in, it's for an adult to decide. I guess it's work in progress, and we have put up, our I would say our
industry.
Yeah, as an industry, we all stood together for it, and NH10 I think would be one film where you'll see that we've tried to push the boundaries with this film, and there is, of course. As much as we could, we have fought for it, and now what we have will be coming out on the 13th.
So you heard it from the censor board and they cleared the film. That's what you're saying. It's releasing on the 13th.
The film is releasing on the 13th. It's got one visual cut, and otherwise most of it has been passed, and it's got few audio cuts.
What about the language? Is there any changes in this, the curse word which the censor board has banned?
Yes.
Is it same or today?
I just said we've had to cut few music.
But are you okay with it?
See, we knew that we were not making or doing, or no actors was saying something for effect. It was because that is the way people talk in that belt, right? And it is something that has been done with utmost honesty. So we would have appreciated if it wasn't. But then a lot of the things that we wanted to retain in the film has pleasantly been retained.
Anushka, producer with this morning, Mukesh Bhatt has held a press conference where he has come to your support to support NH and the controversy which is related to Ukraine. So what do you have to say about this?
I'm very happy. The industry has really come together this time, because as an industry, we're in that age where we're making cinema which is different, unique. We're trying to push boundaries. We're growing as an industry. So obviously we will all come together in support of one another. And like I said earlier, it's an honest film. There is no glorification of anything that we've done. I think there's some certain credibility attached to the people who've made this film also. There's no need for we've not tried to insinuate anything through the film. We're showing things as it is.
अनुष्का जैसा कि हमने देखा है कि इंडिया में
लड़की को शॉप में लेके आए हुए तो ऑब्वियसली उसे डिस्ट्रैक्ट होंगे।
इंडिया में स्वाइन फ्लू का वायरल बहुत है। हमने देखा सोनम कपूर को भी स्वाइन फ्लू हुआ है, तो उनकी सलामती के लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
यार मेरे पास नंबर है उनका, मैं उनको खुद बोल दूँगी। Yeah. Same what you said.
Alright, that's about it for the Q&A session.
Hey! उसने पहले पूछा था।
उसके बाद
बताओ प्रोड्यूसर कितना फख्र महसूस करती हैं क्योंकि आपने NH फिल्म जैसी एक आसान फिल्म नहीं चुनी है, बल्कि एक कठिन फिल्म चुनी है। आप बताएं।
Oh, no doubt about it. जितना एक्सपीरियंस मेरे को मे बी कुछ फिल्में करके मिलता वो मुझे एक्सपीरियंस एक ही फिल्म के साथ मिल गया एज अ प्रोड्यूसर. So I'm very happy. It's really taught me a lot. It made me see like I've gone on saying, you know, when you guys watch the film, you'll understand. We've made a very true film. हमने पूरे दिल से उसको बनाया है. And in a way, it's something very original that people have not seen, and we really believed in it. So we've fought for it. We've fought for the film to like see the light of day, and that's happening now. So we're very happy that our
एक पैटर्न टूटा है हाल फिलहाल हमने देखा है न्यू एज फिल्म में.
जी
किस तरह से देखती हैं इस पैटर्न टूटने को सिनेमा?
आई थिंक एक पैटर्न इसलिए टूटा है क्योंकि ऑडियंसेस रेडी है ऐसी फिल्म देखने के लिए. यू नो जब लोग रेडी है देखने के लिए तो हम लोग वो फिल्में बनाएंगे उनको दिखाने के लिए. एंड वो एक जिसे बोलते हैं वो दैट कनेक्शन इज बरकरार. इट्स हैपन ऑलवेज. नाउ आई थिंक पीपल आर अवेयर. हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, बहुत अवेयर होते हैं क्या क्या होता है फिल्मों में और क्या क्या होता है दुनिया में. एंड वो देखना चाहते हैं कि आप स्क्रीन में उसी चीज़ को अगर दर्शा रहे हैं. दे वांट टू वॉच इट. सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट वी आर पार्ट ऑफ दैट. यू नो दैट आई हैव कम इन अ टाइम वेयर industry has seen that kind of change. We're making like different cinema, and I'm happy that I have been with my first film that I've started with a film like this. You know that I've in a way we've done something original which I'm very proud of.
Anushka,
This was the last question for the evening.
Papa,
yes,
what is that?
your phone, I'm listening to you. I mean, when you make a film like this and you're going through so much trouble, does that actually dishearten you from making another film just like this one? The next film that
We'll do it again.
You will do it again.
Because see, we're telling a story, and we're all educated people who understand our responsibilities towards the society. So that is not going to ever be compromised. So we will continue making films that are saying what is there. I mean, you're meant to see what's happening. Whatever's happening in the film, it happens. You read about it in papers. The brutality is much more. In fact, we are not even showing it. The world is so brutal. You're not even showing that. You can't even show that brutality on screen. As people, we wouldn't want to make it. So whatever we've made is actually much a downside version of it.
Now on behalf of Charles & Keith, Amit Tanjani, Head of Marketing Major Brands, would like to hand over a token of appreciation to Anushka.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
सोनू